In today's video, I will walk you through how to upload or import manual journals in Xero. Start by looking at the top bar of your Xero dashboard and click on the Accounting tab. This is where you'll find the financial tools you'll be working with. After clicking Accounting, a menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Manual Journals. This will open the Manual Journals page, where you'll see a list of any manual journals that have already been entered. Before importing anything new, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page. This is where all imported manual journals will appear once the process is complete. At the top of the page, you'll see the Import button. Click on it to begin importing your journal entries. This will take you to the Import screen, where you'll prepare the file that Xero requires. Before uploading any data, you'll need to download Xero's import template. This template is important because it provides the correct format for your journal information. Using the template helps make sure your data matches the structure that Xero expects during the import process. After downloading the template, open it and enter your manual journal information into the appropriate columns. The template includes columns for details such as account codes, descriptions, dates, and figures. Make sure each piece of information is entered in the correct place so the file is ready for import. Once you've finished entering all of your journal information, review everything carefully before uploading it. Double-check the dates, account codes, descriptions, and figures to make sure they are accurate and complete. Taking a moment to review the file can help prevent import issues later. When you're satisfied that everything has been entered correctly, return to the Import page in Xero and upload the completed template. Xero will then process the file and import your manual journals into the system. After the upload finishes, your imported manual journals will appear alongside your existing manual journals on the Manual Journals page. You can review them there to confirm that everything has been imported successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.